Assalamu alaikum and very good day. My name is Dr. Javed Iqbal. Welcome to my new video on a guide to choose right machine learning algorithm for your problem. This video is part of my machine learning lecture series. Although the selection of a right machine learning algorithm for your problem is very tricky and crucial, it depends a lot of things. I have prepared this video based on my experience. I hope this video would be very helpful for those who are just diving into machine learning. This is the only slide in my video. I have tried to show you different types of algorithms for solving different type of problems. This slide also shows different types of machine learning algorithms and the list of algorithms available in each type. Let's go through this. This slide shows three different types of algorithms available in machine learning. The types of algorithms are supervised learning, reinforcement learning, and unsupervised learning. Different decision criteria are used to choose the right algorithm. The criteria are: first, we have to understand the data. It includes the size of the data, type of the data, either the data is linearly separable or it's non-linearly separable. Then we have to look at the type of the problem, what is the existing accuracy of the problem, the speed of the model, and features and parameters. So these three types of machine learning algorithms greatly depends on these decision criteria. For example, in supervised learning, our data is labeled, while in unsupervised learning, our data is unlabeled. If we have a learning problem that involve reward and penalty, then our problem is related to reinforcement learning. Now I will discuss each type of machine learning algorithm. Supervised learning has two types. One is classification and other is regression. So our problem can be a classification problem or a regression problem. For the classification problem, we have plenty of algorithms. The first most important algorithm is the logistic regression. Next is the nearest neighbor, then naive Bayes, decision tree, sport vector machine, random forest, and artificial neural networks. These algorithms can be chosen based on the criteria such as the size, type of the problem, or other parameters. Logistic regression works based on regression and it uses logistic function for classification. Nearest neighbor decides based on the number of nearest neighbors. Naive Bayes work on the principle of Bayes theorem. Then we have decision tree plot decision tree for each data set. And the node available at the root is the most important variable in the data. Then we have sport vector machine. Sport vector machine works on the principle of hyperplanes. Random forest draws different trees and then done the decision based on the majority votes. And finally, the artificial neural network. Artificial neural network works based on the working of the human brain. I also have shown that as we move from up to down, the accuracy and training parameters of the models may increase. Like Logistic regression, nearest neighbor, naive Bayes have fewer parameters, while decision trees, support vector machines, random forest, and artificial neural networks have higher number of parameters and we can obtain high accuracy using these classifiers. After classification, next is the regression. In regression, we start from linear regression. In linear regression, we represent data through a line. The next is the support vector regression and Gaussian process regression. Also, these also works on the principle of regression. Then we can use decision tree, ensemble methods, and artificial neural networks for regression problem. In reinforcement learning, decision making is involved. The popular types of algorithms in decision tree are Monte Carlo, Q-learning, Markov decision process, and temporal difference. These types of decision algorithms are involved while we are dealing data that involve penalty and reward. Although I am not going into the detail of these algorithms, in my next video I can provide you further details. The unsupervised learning algorithms can be of two types. The first one is clustering algorithms and second is the dimension reduction algorithms. The first popular clustering algorithm is the k-mean clustering algorithm. Then fuzzy C-mean is under the domain of fuzzy clustering, hierarchical clustering, DB scan clustering, hidden Markov models, Gaussian mixture models, and artificial neural networks. All these types of algorithms can be used to perform the task of clustering. Popular clustering algorithms are the k-means, which work on the principle of means of the data. K-means, hierarchical clustering, DB-scan, and artificial neural networks are also the popular type of clustering algorithms. The next in unsupervised learning is the dimension reduction. The first technique is latent Dirichlet analysis. Latent Dirichlet analysis is also known as LDA, singular value decomposition, linear discriminant analysis, and principal component analysis, and there are plenty of other methods here. These are the popular dimensionality reduction techniques. Although in my one off video I also shown various other dimensionality reduction techniques. These dimensionality reduction techniques can be used in different types of data that have high dimensionality. These techniques can also be used for grouping of similar type of data. In this video, I have shown you different types of algorithms. I have just provided you an overview of choosing a right type of algorithm for your problem. Like for classification problems, you have different types of algorithms. Similarly, for regression, clustering and dimensionality reduction, you have different types of algorithms. Some algorithms like artificial neural network and decision tree can be used to solve different type of problems. Once again, before selection of any algorithm, you must be aware of these selection criteria such as understand the data size, type, linearity, etc. The type of problem, the accuracy you are achieving while implementing any algorithm, the speed of the training, features and parameters. I hope this video would be very helpful for you to understand and choose the right type of algorithm for your problem. While we are working with these machine learning algorithms, our most important concern is the accuracy and speed. So, you must have to wisely choose your type of algorithm. I hope this video will be very helpful for those who are new to machine learning. This ends my video. Thank you very much for watching this